So first things first, Evan, what should go into a healthy school lunchbox?
Yeah, so great question, and it's probably a sensible place to start, Sinead, if we don't know what we need. Generally speaking, if we can get a student to follow the food pyramid, which is a set of guidelines to help, I suppose, structure your diet, we're not going to go too far wrong. So typically speaking, we have two great examples here. We'd like people to include food items such as a bread, or it could even be a sandwich or some pasta. That's our two carbohydrates. That's what's going to give us our energy for the day. We'd also like there to be some protein in there, and that can be in the form of maybe a portion of milk here, or it could be a small pot of yogurt, or those portable squeezy tubes are very, very practical. You might have 1 or 2 portions of protein in the lunchbox. If possible then, we want to help our students increase their fruit and veg intake, and a general heuristic for that is try to eat the rainbow. So these are two great, very colourful lunchboxes here. If I was a teacher, I'd hope to see my students do this. So if we try and include as much colour as we can, maybe 2 or 3 pieces of fruit as a snack, and maybe a small portion of nuts or seeds, that's a perfect lunchbox.
Super, so the key there is colourful and that balance of food groups. As you said there about the importance of dairy and spreading it throughout the school day, why is that important?
So I suppose dairy is important for teenagers because they're developing, and the dairy requirements for a teenager is actually 5 servings a day. So if we look at the fact that, again, a student is going to be gone for most of their day, it makes sense that there's 2, if not 3 portions of dairy in that lunchbox, so they're well on track to meet the requirements by the time they go to bed that night.
Super. And a sandwich, as you said, could be a really simple lunchbox filler.
Yeah.
And again, it doesn't have to just be like a slice of bread, be a bagel or a pita or a wrap. So I was thinking, if you're up for it, we could have a little sprint race.
Sure.
Okay, so it's not just about pace now, it's about taste and presentation as well.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, let's go for it. Yeah.
On your marks, get set, go!
I think you're going to win this one, Sinead.
Oh, I don't know. I'm using a pita, so I have a bit more work to do. Cut it open.
Presentation wouldn't be my strong point now.
So I'm adding in some colour with my sweet corn. I'm using tuna as my base. What do you have over there?
I've got some cheese and I've got some Cajun chicken here. I like a bit of taste. I'm not much of a sauce man. You know, a lot of people think that your recipes have to be very complex. I'm a very plain eater, and that's actually okay.
Definitely. Yeah, and the key thing there, as you said, is just to make sure it's balanced.
Absolutely, yeah. Balance is what we are looking for in a sandwich.
I think you're winning.
Okay, so I am actually done. I'm going to try slice this in half. This could go very wrong now. You could steal the victory here. And I'm done. Presentation, we're probably talking maybe a 5 out of 10.
And I'm still filling mine. Close finish, but we got there.
We got there in the end.
Super. Well, I'm definitely getting hungry looking at these. Should we give them a taste?
Absolutely.
Let's go for it. For further information, tips and recipes, go to ndc.ie or @ndc_ie on social media.